Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can use Ask AI in projects. Here we have a project. To use Ask AI, simply click on Ask AI at the top, and you'll see this pop up. At the top, we have some suggestions. Below that, there are some featured agents. These agents can help with tasks like Team Standup, to check the team workload, etc. Further down, we find more tools to check things like all pending tasks, a list of all the members, etc. At the bottom, there is a chat box where you can type any questions you have about the project. Let's say we want to quickly check the team workload. We can use the team workload agent. Simply click on it, and AI will analyze the team workload. Here we have a workload summary of the project. At the top, you can see this workload chart. You can also download it from here. If you have any follow-up questions, you can ask them here. You can click on this plus button to attach any files. Next to that, we have the option to include the project content and the project workload. You can enable these toggles from here. You can also use the dictation feature from here. Let's say we want to quickly check any risks. We will type our prompt and hit send. Here we have a risk analysis of the project. You can also use AI to make changes to the project. In the ongoing group, we see the task Design the template. Let's say we want to change the priority and assign it to a team member. We can use AI for that. Simply go to the chat section and type your prompt, then hit send. As you can see, the priority is set to high, and it is assigned to Brandon Howell, which is exactly what we asked for. This way, you can quickly make multiple changes to your project. At the top, you can check the history, start a new chat from here, and close the sidebar by clicking here. That's how you can use Ask AI feature in projects.